Whether you're loosening stubborn bolts with an impact wrench, spraying a flawless coat of paint, inflating tires, or powering a variety of pneumatic tools, an air compressor is the silent workhorse making it all happen. But not all air compressors are built the same. Some are compact and portable, perfect for quick jobs or mobile mechanics. Others are heavy-duty, built for non-stop action in busy auto shops. The question is, how do you choose the best one? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of air compressors, breaking down the top options available right now specifically for mechanics. Whether you're a full-time automotive technician or a weekend warrior working on your project car, we're going to help you find the right air compressor that meets your needs without breaking the bank. Number 1. California Air Tools 8010. Let's kick things off with something that won't wake the neighbors or your family. The California Air Tools 8010 is an ultra-quiet air compressor that runs at only 60 decibels. That's quieter than a normal conversation. It's ideal for mechanics who work out of their home garage or need a peaceful work environment. 8.0-gallon steel tank. 120 psi max pressure. 3.00 CFM at 40 psi/2.20 CFM at 90 psi. Oil-free pump for low maintenance. Weighs just 48 pounds. While it's not going to power heavy-duty impact wrenches all day, it's perfect for inflating tires, running nail guns, or light-duty air tools. And the oil-free pump means you won't be fussing over maintenance. If you're a hobbyist or someone who values a quieter shop, this one's a winner.
Number 2. Ingersoll Rand SS3L3. When you need serious air, this is the kind of beast you turn to. The Ingersoll Rand SS3L3 is a single-stage, 60-gallon vertical compressor built to last. With a cast-iron pump and a motor designed for industrial use, it's perfect for mechanics who run multiple air tools and don't want to be limited by tank capacity. 60-gallon tank. 135 psi max pressure. 11.3 CFM at 90 psi. 230V, 3 HP motor. Heavy-duty cast-iron construction. This machine is more than enough to run impact wrenches, ratchets, and air hammers all day. It's not portable, and it requires a 230V outlet, but if you've got the setup for it, this is a shop workhorse that will serve you for years.
Number 3. DeWalt DXCM271. Need something powerful, but still relatively easy to move around? The DeWalt DXCM271 is a solid middle ground option that delivers professional-level performance in a portable format. 27-gallon tank. 200 psi max pressure. 5.1 CFM at 90 psi. Oil-free pump. Runs on standard 120V power. This model balances portability with power, thanks to its vertical tank and durable wheels. Mechanics who work mobile gigs or in smaller shops will appreciate how much muscle it packs without being a space hog. It's perfect for impact wrenches, drills, and grinders, basically any tool a mechanic relies on.
Number 4. Makita MAC2400. Makita is known for making reliable, job site-ready tools, and the MAC2400 lives up to that reputation. This is a compact, twin-stack compressor that delivers surprising performance. 4.2-gallon twin-stack tank. 130 psi max pressure. 4.2 CFM at 90 psi. Oil-lubricated pump with cast-iron cylinder. Quiet at 79 dB. This unit is ideal for mechanics who need a portable compressor that's ready to handle more than just the basics. It's compact enough to move around easily, yet powerful enough to keep up with demanding air tools. It's also built like a tank, and with Makita's reputation, it's a solid long-term investment.
Number 5. Portacable C2002. If you're just starting out or you're a hobbyist mechanic who doesn't need industrial power, the Portacable C2002 pancake compressor is a great choice. 6-gallon tank. 150 psi max pressure. 2.6 CFM at 90 psi. Oil-free pump. Only 30 pounds. This one is easy to carry, quick to fill, and very wallet-friendly. It's not meant for constant heavy-duty use, but for small jobs like tire inflation, airbrushing, or the occasional light air tool, it's perfect. Great as a backup too, even for pros.